Hey guys, this is a quick showcase of my new foldable grill. This is the BarbIQ. It's a stainless steel grill, foldable, weighs less than 1 kilogram. Assembly is really easy, you just pull out the legs. They're a little bit finicky, but I found a technique, so works for me. Inside you store the two grates that you use. One hinged one that's going on the top, and a smaller, finer grate. As you can see, it's been well used, and there you can see the two hinges. So the fine mesh grate goes in the bottom, that'll hold any fuel source you use. Then you just straighten out the hinged grate, like this, and you're good to go. All versions come with a heat shield, just use it on any flammable surface. The toggleable hole lets you use a gas canister remotely. Just pass the tubing through. You can use coals, you can use firewood, gas obviously, and also alcohol stoves, 1 or even 2. You can get tongs with one of the more premium offerings from BarbIQ, or maybe you already have some. I quite like using them to take the grates on or off, and also obviously for shifting food around or any pots and pans. If you, like me, already have some grates lying around, I found that it works really good to stack them. Any pots or pans also work really well. On a side note, today's recipe is marinated pork loin with cauliflower rice, potato salad, and fresh lettuce from my mother-in-law's garden. Turned out really well. The benefit of cooking with 2 floors is that whatever gets done first can stay warm for longer up top, or even cook indirectly, and whatever cooks on the bottom gets the drippings from the top. Dinner is served. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.